Hey everyone, welcome to the 27th video in the playlist Leetcode Top Interview 150 questions. In this video, we will be solving the 27th problem from the list Leetcode Top Interview 150. The name of this problem is toSum2 and the input array for this problem is sorted. So let's take a look at this problem. What this problem is asking is, we have been given an input array, for example this, and this is sorted, and we have a target number, which is 9. We need to find two numbers in this array such that when we add those two numbers, we get the target 9. As an output, we need to return the index of this element, considering that the array is one indexed. So return the index of elements, one indexed as one indexed. And it is also given that there is only one solution which exists in the array. So the way we will be solving this problem is by using two-pointer approach. So approach, use two pointers, one on the left side of the array and one on the right side of the array. So what we are going to do is we'll have two pointers, one on the left side of the array and one on the right side of the array. We'll call these pointers left and right. And while left is less than right, check if sum left and right is equal to target. If this is the case, then return indexes. Otherwise, if sum is greater, then we need a smaller candidate to make that sum. So we decrease the right pointer, else we increase the left pointer. So if the sum is not greater than the target, then we need to have a bigger number to contribute to the sum, to go closer to the sum. So let's go ahead and write code for this. So let's make two pointers. So left is 0 and right is numbers.length minus 1. And while left is less than right, so the sum of numbers would be numbers of left plus numbers of right. And if sum is less than target, this means that we need a bigger number to contribute to the sum. So what we'll do is we'll do a left plus plus here. Else if sum is greater than target, in this case we need a smaller number to contribute to the sum. So we'll do a right minus minus here. And else if the sum is equal to target, then we need to return the indexes of the left and right element. But remember that this question requires us to return the index as one indexed. So we will have to return the index of left and right and add 1 to it to convert these indexes into one indexed array. Finally, if there is no such solution, although it is given that the question has exactly one solution, so we will always have one solution, but since we have to have a default return if the solution does not exist, so in this case we can just return -1 as both left and right indexes to indicate that the solution does not exist. Okay, so before running the code, let's just go through our solution, and we should add a column here, and everything else looks good to me. So let's go ahead and try to run this, and we get accepted on all test cases. So let's go ahead and try to submit, and we get an accepted solution. So in the next video, we will be solving the 28th problem from this Leetcode Top Interview 150 list. Keep watching.